Black Friday is coming. During the last quarter of the year, things get exciting with the high sale season just around the corner. You better prepare for it the right way, and I'm here for you guys to share with you a few tips about your Black Friday campaigns and landing pages, of course. Now, let me drag and drop a small countdown timer over here. Curious what's it all about? Keep watching. I'm Webski, your digital marketing buddy. Let's roll. Tip number 1. First of all, you need to plan and schedule your Black Friday offer. For the last few years, we are not only talking about Black Friday and Cyber Monday. The shopping frenzy evolved to Black Week or even Black Month recently. The campaigns I've been creating always included 2 steps: the lead generation pre-sale phase and the actual sale phase. I've tested 3 different lengths of the lead generation phase: 2, 4, or even 6 weeks before the actual Black Friday date. You have to evaluate which one is the best for your business. During the more extended 6-week lead generation phase, I've observed a slight decline in the month-over-month regular sales. The reason for that was that our potential customers knew that a significant discount is coming their way. So they decided to wait a few weeks to take advantage of it. The shorter pre-sale campaign didn't allow us to build proper interest before the live offer. So the 4-week lead generation phase was the sweet spot for our SaaS MarTech business. Let me know in the comments what are your businesses, in which industries you operate, and how do you schedule and plan your Black Friday deals. Tip number 2. You have to decide how long the time frame of your offer will be. Just the Black Friday day? Or maybe you'll extend it to Cyber Monday too. Or maybe you will decide to let your customers buy at discounted price for the whole week or even 2. It's really up to your type of business and how your clients behave. From my perspective and what we were doing, we were running sales between Thursday before Black Friday and Tuesday after Cyber Monday. I find it a good idea to start a little bit earlier and prolong it a little bit afterward. What's interesting, in some campaigns I've run, the sales volume on Cyber Monday exceeded the Black Friday sales. Okay, time's up. Let's talk about the timer. Use such a timer on your Black Friday landing pages and let your customers know how little time they have to redeem your offer. This should encourage them to make the decision here and now, increasing your conversion rate and making you more money. Tip number 3. Of course, the product or service and the massive discount are the heart of the offer. But how will you attract customers and grab their attention? Usually, brands use a lot of black color in their designs, which is quite logical. But you know, Black Friday is one of those occasions where you can go crazy with your design and take your brand guidelines with a grain of salt. This is where you can get creative and build something extraordinary. Margarita. Get inspired and create a theme for your campaign that refers to pop culture, maybe a song, maybe a movie, a TV series. It's up to you, but you can grab attention this way. The other way is to create something from scratch. Think about how you can stand out from the crowd and be truly unique. I remember a few campaigns that used gamification and made customers play to earn their discounts, which was fun and engaging for them. Another great way to get a decent volume of sales is to make people work for a common goal. For example, the more people sign up for a deal, the bigger bonuses all of them can get. Tip number 4. Even if you create a kick-ass Black Friday deal, what's in it for you if no one gets to know about it? Besides activating all your marketing channels like social, email, ads, look out for blog posts and lists that gather all Black Friday deals in your industry. Google it, ask your LinkedIn network and friends, and check Facebook groups. Make sure you are on those lists, as this might be the low-hanging fruit which will make your Black Friday campaign successful. From what I've seen, most of the time it's free to add your deal to such a list, so this should be a no-brainer. A nice bonus you will most likely get is a backlink, which will boost your SEO and all your future Black Friday campaigns. How to maintain it? Let's see tip number 5. I call this a URL or a link policy. It means that you should always keep your Black Friday landing page under the same address. I said all, and I mean it, so your pre-sale lead generation page, the landing page with an actual live offer, and all following and future Black Friday deals. Just replace the content to match the current state. For example, if your Black Friday deal is over, you should put such an information on this landing page plus a form so the visitor can sign up for the next year's deal already. Remember that all links you acquire will work for you in the future, supporting your SEO and bringing you more organic and referral traffic. I hope that you like the tips I've shared with you. Make good use of them and may the Black Friday campaign bring spectacular results for your business. Let me know in the comments if you find any of the tips particularly valuable. If you have your own growth hacks, let me know about them too. Seeing thumbs up and you subscribing to my channel will mean a lot to me. So feel free to send some good vibes. Also, check more videos about Black Friday, web design and landing pages if you seek more knowledge and inspiration. Talk to you soon.